Words and meanings, disguise, change appearance, claims, state something, welfare, general well-being, mingle, mix with the people, rags, old torn clothes, dispute, disagreement about something, resolve, find a solution, certain, know for sure, concerned, worried about. Motion signaled, dismount, get off something, puzzled, unable to understand, winced, showed dislike, neighed, sound made by a horse, pronounced, officially said. Questions and answers. What was Caliph Harun al-Rashid known and respected for? Caliph Harun al-Rashid was known and respected for his justice and wisdom. How did the two men brought before the caliph look like? One of them was well-dressed and appeared to be a well-to-do, respectable citizen, while the other was in rags and seemed to be a beggar. This is how the two men brought before the caliph looked like. What was the dispute between the rich man and the beggar? The dispute between the rich man and the beggar was that they were fighting over a horse. Each of them claimed and swore that the horse was his. How did the caliph decide who was the owner of the horse? The caliph decided who was the owner of the horse by ordering the two men to place their hands on the horse one by one. When the beggar touched the horse, it winced, as if it did not like the touch of his hand. Next, the rich man asked to touch the horse. At the touch of his hand, the horse snorted and neighed with pleasure. The caliph pronounced that the horse belongs to the rich man, and he ordered that the horse may be given to its master. On what condition did the caliph decide to forgive the beggar? The caliph decided to forgive the beggar on the condition that he apologized to the rich man. After getting the horse, how did the rich man behave? After getting the horse, the rich man, being a kind-hearted and generous person, behaved by readily forgiving the beggar. Not only that, he took out his purse and gave him a handful of gold coins. Everyone present was highly impressed by this noble action of the rich man. How many characters are there in the story? Who are they? There are four characters in the story. They are Caliph Harun al-Rashid, the Qazi, the rich man, the beggar. Who got the horse? The rich man got the horse. Was the person who wrongly claimed the horse punished? Yes. The person who wrongly claimed the horse was not punished. Caliph Harun al-Rashid was famous for his justice and wisdom. Once a Qazi brought a case before him, which he could not settle. Two men claimed ownership of a horse. One man was rich, the other was poor. The caliph ordered both the men to touch the horse one by one. When the beggar touched it, it winced as if it did not like the touch of its hand. On the touch of the rich man, it neighed with pleasure. The, the caliph declared his judgment that the horse belonged to the caliph declared his judgment that the horse belonged to the beggar. The caliph declared his judgment that the horse belonged to the rich man. He forgave the beggar and gave him a handful of gold coins.